So this is Superior OS. Now I have reviewed Superior OS previously on this channel, and this is the latest update of Superior OS, and in this video we will check it out if this ROM is worth installing anymore or not. So let's get started with the video. Now talking about the battery backup of this ROM, I don't know why it's not showing the screen on screen of time, but as you can see here, the battery drain is about 11.4% per hour, and the screen of time is around 0.2% per hour, which is pretty great in my opinion. Like not many ROMs can achieve this kind of battery backup. And as you can see, the minimum discharging even went to 0 milliamps per hour, which is a great feat in my opinion. Like the idle drain of this ROM is phenomenal. You can realize that just by seeing this minimum discharge level. So yeah, this is the situation of battery backup in this ROM. And now let's talk about something more interesting, which is the customization. Now, as usual, the Superior OS comes with a lot of customization. And by the way, this is the team that supports the Superior OS. These are the developers for various devices, and as you can see, it is available for these many devices like Moto X4, Moto One Fusion Plus, OnePlus Nord, OnePlus 60, and all that. So yeah, there's that. And one of those devices is Redmi Note 10 Pro and Pro Max. Now talking about the customization, in this ROM there is customization of status bar, then there is customization of quick settings, then customizations of buttons, navigation bar, gestures, lock screen, power menu, themes. As you can see here, there is this icon shape and those kind of stuff. You can even set the icons to iOS style if you like, and these are the icons after the change. So yeah, there's that. And personally I like this squircle or this rice ball style of icon, and it looks pretty great in my opinion. Like it's not very circle, but it's not very squarish either. So yeah, there's that. Then obviously you can also change the font from many of these fonts available here, and let me choose a random one to show you that it's working. So yeah, it seems this one seems pretty different, and as you can see, the instantly the whole system's font is changed. So it is working perfectly fine. There are no issues with the font and customization and stuff. Then there are these notification settings like annoying notification. You can turn these off or on. Now the other type of customization, there are these miscellaneous customizations like this ignore secure window flags. Like with this option you can screenshot pretty much anywhere. Like usually you just can't screenshot in Google Chrome incognito mode, but when you enable this you can also screenshot that, or you can also take screenshot in Netflix and Amazon Prime applications. So yeah, there's that. And then obviously you also get unlimited photo storage, and if it works or not we will test in a bit. Now talking about the camera application, you get this Leica camera, and it's pretty great in my opinion. It works decently fine. There are a bunch of options in this Leica Vibrant or Leica Authentic. Then this is the new type of menu that is drop this is a new type of drop down menu actually, and the options are decently fine, like focus peaking, then exposure verification and all that stuff. And there is this option for voice shutter, so you can just say cheese to take a photo. And yeah, these are the options, but sadly I didn't see like 108 megapixel mode anywhere. I don't know if you can even take 100 megapixel photo here. I just couldn't find it anywhere, like not even in the main uh, default photos option. I just couldn't find 108 megapixel photo. Maybe it's hidden somewhere in the settings, but yeah, I couldn't find it. And this one also comes pre-installed with the Google Lens. So yeah, it works pretty fine in my opinion. The only drawback that I thought there is that there is no 108 megapixel mode. So yeah, if you find it, you can tell me. And if you don't really care about 108 megapixel mode, then you can definitely try this ROM with this camera application. It is a Leica camera, so the picture will still look really good even without that 108 megapixel mode. So yeah, that's that. Now talking about the Play Store certification, as you can see the device is certified, so the banking apps work decently fine. There are no issues with that. And the Antutu benchmark gave out this score, that is 3,96,991. You can pretty much call it 4 lakh, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, there's that. This is a pretty good score in my opinion, so the gaming should be really good on this ROM. And this is the Geekbench 6 results with 737 of single core score and 1808 of multi-core score. Then this is the OpenCL score, which is 1320. So yeah, it can give you the general idea of performance of this ROM. And obviously the unlimited storage is working decently fine, like there are no issues with that. The option in the settings like miscellaneous options work just fine, there are no issues with that. Oh yeah, by the way, this ROM also comes with this Dolby Atmos, and with that the sound experience is pretty amazing and loud. So yeah, let me give you a demo. Like as you can see, this is not even like 50% volume. Now I will pump up the volume to maximum. The sound experience is pretty cool in my opinion, like there are no issues with that. And having Dolby Atmos means you can customize your audio experience however you want. So yeah, it is pretty cool in my opinion. And by the way, this also comes with the USB kind of dialer. This is not that Google dialer which gives announcement on call recording. So yeah, let me show you, like this is not the kind of menu you get in the Google dialer. So yeah, it's pretty evident that this is a USB kind of dialer and not the Google dialer. I can't really show you the call because there is no SIM in this device right now, but I can assure you that this is not the Google dialer, this is the USB dialer. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this ROM. And in my opinion, like this is definitely a solid ROM, like the battery backup, the stability. Not even once this ROM has given me random reboots or application crashes. So yeah, it's pretty great in my opinion, and the audio experience is pretty great too. And with that, the content watching experience will be really good. And the gaming experience, you just saw the Ender 2 benchmark scores. So yeah, it's going to be a stable experience, but there is a lack of customizations. There are not much options right now, but in the future there definitely will be many more options. And on that note, if you like this video, then give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.